is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to remove your lace, clean it, and reinstall it. I don't know if I'm gonna do these in like a part 1, part 2, part 3 type thing, but I'm going to show you guys because my lace is looking very ratchet and I'm ready to get it off of my head. Like, it's lifting, it's just ready to come off, period. And I can't keep walking around like this. Like, since I wasn't really going anywhere, I just was wearing my bonnet. But I'm about to show you guys my whole process of how I get my lace off, how I clean my lace once I take it off because there's always glue residue, and then how I put it back on my head. So stay tuned if you would like to see my whole process. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, period. Alright, y'all, so the first thing that you guys are going to see me do is you're going to see me take my ponytail holder out because I can't really do anything with hair in a ponytail. And the second thing I'm going to do is I'm going to tie my hair up so that I can have it out of my face so that I can see the lace, okay? Period. Tie that hair up. What you want to do next is you want to get you an alcohol spray bottle and you want to spray that on your edges where the glue is and where the lace is. That just pretty much helps us lift up the glue because, you know, alcohol melts the glue. You then want to take that alcohol that you sprayed on your edges and you want to massage it into where the glue is exactly. Apply pressure, sis, period, so that we can lift that lace up, okay? So as you can see, my method is working and it is lifting the lace up off of my forehead. I just keep applying the alcohol as needed, and I love to put it in this spray bottle because the spray bottle gives me more a more precise not application, but it just makes it more precise and it doesn't get all over the place and get all over the hair. It just goes in that one spot that I need it to be. So just keep on spraying the alcohol around your edges and massage it in, and then once you start feeling it lift it up, period. Nothing more, nothing less, okay? Watch this magic, y'all. Just watch how the lace lifts straight up off of my skin. I don't have to tug with it. I don't have to do anything with it. I don't have to fight with it. Perfection, period, okay? As you guys can see, there's a lot of glue and makeup residue and buildup. I'm going to show you guys how to get that out in a very easy way. So here I sprayed alcohol all over the edges, and excuse my bonnet. Next, you want to take your C22 solvent and you want to do the exact same thing you did with the alcohol, and you want to spray it all over the lace where the residue and the buildup is. This product really is the truth. Like, it really removes any harsh lace glue. Like, I love it. The smell is kind of weird. It's citrusy, but it's cool. So once you spray the alcohol on the lace and the C22 solvent on the lace, you want to let that sit for probably like 10 minutes. I let mine sit for like 15 because I had a lot of buildup because, girl, I just was slapping that wig on my head. The next thing you want to do is you want to shampoo your wig, okay? And I just used a regular Pantene shampoo. It really don't got to be nothing fancy, just a regular shampoo. It's for your lace. It's not for your real hair, so it doesn't really matter. Now, during this process, it may look like I'm being super rough on my lace, but I am not. I'm being very gentle. I'm using rubbing motions with my fingers, and I'm pretty much rubbing in a downward, like towards the tip of the lace, and I'm getting the glue out that way. Do not scratch it with your nail like you see me doing, because you will put a hole in your lace. Me, I'm a pro, so I know what I'm doing, and I've been doing this for a long time. But for somebody who does not know what they're doing, do not be rough on the lace, okay? Now you just see me rinsing the wig, rinsing the shampoo out of the wig. Pretty much doing the same exact motions I did when I applied the C22 and I was scrubbing it out. I then take some dish soap and I put it in the same exact spot where the where the glue is kind of like hard to get up, and I use that same exact motion that I was doing before, again saying that I'm being super gentle, even though it may not look like it. I know what I'm doing. I'm being very gentle so that I do not rip the lace, because it is lace and it is sensitive and it will rip. I then took an edge brush, yes, an edge brush, and I started doing the same motion, but with the edge brush, it makes it easier to get the glue and stuff off. It was making it way easier, and that's pretty much what I did, as you guys can see. And I did a scrubbing motion, and I am being super gentle. Like, I cannot stress this enough. Be gentle with your lace, because if you rip it, you will be upset. And sometimes when you rip the lace, you cannot come back from it. Like that black that you see, that's not a ripping the lace. That is from me dyeing the hair black, and it got onto the lace by accident. Before of me cleaning the lace, and then here's the after of me cleaning the lace. So as you can see, my method really works, and you should use it, period, if you want to get your lace cleaned fast and easy. Alright guys, so I've decided to continue the rest of the process tomorrow, because it is currently 4:27 and I started at like 2 something, and I'm not gonna stay up and be up until 7 in the morning doing this wig, sorry. But this is what the wig is looking like. She is looking very clean. Let me flip her inside out so you guys can see that there is no residue whatsoever. So I cleaned the heck up out of this lace, and it looks bomb. So I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow once I wake up and charge my camera, because my camera is about to die. So I'll see you tomorrow once I wake up, and we're going to install this wig together. I'm excited about that.